English speaking practice. How are you?
I am fine.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
How about your work?
It's going well.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from the market.
Do you know me?
Yes, I know you.
Where are you going?
I am going to the supermarket.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
When did you come?
I came yesterday.
What's up these days?
Nothing special, as usual.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Where are you from?
I am from Switzerland.
What do you want?
I want a mobile.
What do you like?
I like to read books.
Is everything okay?
Yes, absolutely fine.
How was your day?
Not so good.
Do you need any help?
No, thanks.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better.
What would you like to have?
I would like to have tea.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to cook.
Are you married?
No, I am not.
What brings you here?
I am here to meet you.
When will you come?
I will come by tomorrow.
Who are you?
I am Jennifer.
When will you go?
I will go after next week.
How is your health?
I am good.
Do you want to go?
No, I don't want to go.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
How long it will take you to come?
I will be there in 20 minutes.
What are you playing?
I am playing cricket.
What do you in your free time?
I like reading and relaxing at home.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Can you have your phone number?
Yes, note it down.
Is it holiday today?
Yes, it is.
What can I do for you?
Please, give me a glass of water.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What is the date today?
Today is Sunday.
What is the date today?
Today is the 4th of October.
What is the time now?
It is 8:30 a.m.
What do you want?
I want to go out.
What did you buy?
We bought some new clothes.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Have you got a house?
No, I live in a flat.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, thank you. I'd like some coffee.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you busy?
Yes, I'm busy now.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Where's the pharmacy?
It's near the supermarket.
Where's an ATM?
Behind the bank.
One way or round trip?
A one-way.
How's business?
Business is good.
When do you get off work?
I got off work at 6 p.m.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go shopping.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go home.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is August 27th.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Where's the closest restaurant?
There is restaurant over there. But I don't think it's very good.
What does he do for work?
He's an engineer.
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
How much are these earrings?
$52.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to seafood.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 20 minutes.
How much money do you have?
I only have $5.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
When do you get off work?
I got off work at 6 o'clock.
How's the weather?
It's very cold today.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go shopping.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
What's your hobby?
I like shopping.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 7.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11.